Good morning, children. Welcome back to Mahila Samaja online class. Today, I am going to teach you a new lesson. Jody's daddy drives a bus. The theme of the lesson is dignity of labor. Here, no work is small and no work defines the stature of any person. Now, tell me, children, what does the doctor do? Yes, the doctor treats the patients. What does the farmer do? Farmer grows crops. And a person who drives a bus is called, yes, driver. Isn't it? Now, let us come to the topic. Today, I am going to start the lesson with a warm-up activity. Take out your textbook, children, page number 61. Descriptions of some professions are given below. Write the name of the profession for each choosing from the box. Here, some clues given: veterinarian, tour guide, historian, shipwright, and waiter. I'll read one by one. Designs, builds, and repairs boats and ships of all sizes as per requirements of customers. Can you guess who is he? Yes, you are right. He is shipwright. Second question: researches, analysis, records, and interprets the past as recorded in sources like manuscripts and inscriptions. He is historian. Ensures that customers have an enjoyable dining experience, takes orders, serves food and drinks, and removes used dinnerware from the tables. Waiter diagnoses and treats animal illnesses and diseases. He is called veterinarian. Introduces tourists to popular attractions and guides them to complete their tour in an enjoyable and safe manner. He is called tour guide. Yes, now we come to the topic. Jody's daddy drives a bus. Before going to start the lesson, let us learn about meanings of the new words. Giggles means slight, silly, repeated laughs. Contorted, twisted so that the natural or normal shape is lost. Lowly, low in status or importance. Walrus mustache, a long thick mustache that hangs down on each side of the mouth. Maneuver, moved or turned skillfully or carefully. Now, I'll read the lesson. Listen carefully, children. Funny how you can always tell when somebody is laughing behind your back. Jody hadn't really heard anything, maybe a whisper, but when she turned around, the girls in the back row of the class were looking at her, trying to hide smiles and giggles. She looked back at her teacher. Mr. Swales was talking about what people do all day. He also wanted to find out what his students wanted to be when they grew up. He called on Billy Midzer first. Funny how you can always tell when somebody is laughing behind your back. Yes, children, how do you feel when somebody or classmates laughing behind your back? How do you feel? Definitely, you feel bad. It hurts you, isn't it? See, you do one thing, you pause and think to yourself, They are wrong and I'm a wonderful person. Do this until you are convinced. So, you can learn to deal positively with those who laugh at you behind your back. Got it, children? But here, Judy, a name of a girl, hadn't really heard anything. Maybe a whisper. Here, whisper means someone talk with another's ear. ಪಿಸುಗುಟ್ಟೋದು. But when she turned around, see, Jodi did not hear anything, but she could understand. In the back row, few girls talking about her. She could understand, so she turned around. The girls in the back row of the class were looking at her and trying to hide smiles and giggles. Trying to hide. Hide is the past tense, hid, and past participle hidden. Hide, hid, hidden. Hide ಅಂದರೆ ಮುಚ್ಚಿಟ್ಟುಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು. ತಮ್ಮ ನಗುವನ್ನು ಮುಚ್ಚಿಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು. ಟ್ರೈಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಹೈಡ್ ಸ್ಮೈಲ್ಸ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಗಿಗಲ್ಸ್. ಗಿಗಲ್ಸ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ silly repeated laughs. So you can see here, no? Judy turned backside and girls in back row are laughing at her. And once again she looked back at her teacher. Her teacher name was Mr. Swales. He was talking about what people do all day. On that day, Mr. Swales was discussing about the people and their professions. I mean here, for example, one who teaches students is called teacher, isn't it? Like that, but he wanted to find out what his students wanted to be when they grew up. If I ask you, imagine if I ask you, what do you want to become when you grow up? Yes, I can expect some answers. See, engineer, you want to become an engineer, or you want to become a doctor, or you want to become a lawyer, or you want to become a teacher. Like these answers we get, isn't it? Here also Mr. Swales wanted what his students want to be when they grew up. Grew is the past tense form of grow and past participle form grown. Grow, grew, grown. Now he called on Billy Midzer first. Now I'll read next paragraph. My daddy works in a bank, Billy Midzer said. I guess I want to work in a bank too. There's lot of money in the bank. My parents have a grocery store. Amy DeSalvo said. Papa's behind the counter and Mama keeps the cash register. But I want to be an airline pilot. Judy liked it when Mr. Swales asked them questions like this. He was about to call on Judy when the girls in the back row burst out laughing. Shirley Dance yelled, Judy's daddy is a driver. Honk honk. Everybody in the class laughed out loud. Everybody except Judy, that is. She felt her face turn bright red. She looked around the whole classroom. Everyone was laughing. Jody looked at Mr. Swales, his face contorted angrily. Silence. The laughter stopped immediately. When Mr. Swales wanted what his students want to become when they grew up, so he asked first Billy Midzer. Billy Midzer said her daddy works in a bank and she also wanted to work in a bank because there's a lots of money in the bank. And next turn, Emmy DeSalvo. She told her parents have a grocery store and papa's behind the counter. I mean, her papa worked in cash counter and her mama or her mom maintained cash register, but she did not want to work in grocery store. She wanted to become an airline pilot. Here pilot means a person who flies an aircraft. See, like this Mr. Swales asked everyone. So Jody liked it. Now he was about to call on Jody when the girls in the back row burst out laughing. Whole class, they were laughing when Mr. Swales asked Jody what was his father. Shirley Dance yelled, Jody's daddy is a driver, honk honk. Yelled means here shouted very loudly. His father was a driver, honk honk. Honk honk means horning sound of the bus or car something. Everybody, when they heard Jody's father was a driver, everybody except Jody were laughing. So Jody felt her face turned red. Now Jody looked at Mr. Swales, but his face contorted angrily. Contorted means twisted so that the natural or normal shape is lost. When you felt angry, automatically your facial expression will be changed. And he ordered silence. The laughter stopped immediately. Laughter is the noun form of the verb laugh. Immediately means without delay or instantly. Next, I'll read next paragraph. Let us see what happened. You should be ashamed of your terrible behavior. So, what if Mr. Harris Jody's father is a bus driver? Driving a bus is a respectable and useful job. I think you all owe Jody an apology. He addressed Jody. I'm sorry this happened. Hard work done well is a matter of pride. You should be proud of your father. After school, when her daddy came to pick her from school, he saw her tear-stained face and knew something was wrong. What's wrong, darling? Jody didn't want to tell him at first. She was embarrassed and did not want to hurt her father's feelings. Her father put his hand on her shoulder. It's okay, sweetie. You can tell me. You can tell me everything you know. But you don't have to tell me your secrets if you don't want to. Is this a secret? When whole class were laughing, Mr. Swales became angry and he commanded silence. Immediately, laughter stopped. See, Mr. Swales became very angry because he did not like his students' reaction. So, he told, "You should be ashamed of your terrible behavior." So, what if Mr. Harris, Judy's father, is a bus driver? Mr. Harris is a father of Judy. Driving a bus is a respectable and useful job. He told driving a bus is a respectable job. It's not a disrespectable job. It's very useful job. I think you all owe Jody an apology. Apology means as sorry for something you have done. So, Mr. Swales asked the girls to apologize to Jody because their reaction on knowing her father's profession was disrespectful. Her classmates, Jody's classmates, thought it was disrespectful job. What they thought? Working in a bank or grocery store or an airline pilot were kind of a good job. So, Mr. Swales did not like their behavior. So, he asked the girls to apologize to Jody. And he addressed Jody. Now he consoled Jody. I'm sorry and this happened. You don't feel bad. Hard work done well is a matter of pride. Here pride is the noun form of proud. Proud means hemme. You should be proud of your father. You should be proud of your father. See here, Mr. Swale said Jody should be proud of her father because driving a bus is a respectable and useful job. And he explained that hard work done well is a matter of pride. Then, after school, when her daddy came to pick her from school, after bell rang, Jody's father, Mr. Harris, came to school to pick Jody from school, but he saw her tear-stained face. Tear-stained, stain means blot. Kannirina gurutu, kannirina kale. And knew something was wrong. Knew is the past tense form of know. Present tense form know, past tense form knew, and past participle form known. And something went wrong in the, he could understand something went wrong in the school. Judy didn't want to tell him at first. She was embarrassed and did not want to hurt her father's feelings. Embarrassed means feeling uncomfortable. See, that's why when Jody's father asked her what was wrong, but she hesitated to tell because she did not want to hurt him. But her father put his hand on her shoulder. It's okay, sweetie. You can tell me. You can tell me everything. See, You don't worry. What happened in the school? You tell me, you can tell me everything you know. What you know, you can tell me. But you don't have to tell me your secrets if you don't want to. If you have any secrets you do not want to tell me, okay? Don't tell. This is secret. Any secret is there? Jody's father asked Jody. Okay, I'll continue remaining part of the lesson in next class. I hope you have understood. Now, home assignment. What is the name of Jody's teacher? First question. What is the name of Jody's teacher? The name of Jody's teacher is Mr. Swales. Second question. Where does Billy meets her daddy work? Where does Billy meets his daddy work? Billy meets his daddy works in a bank. Third question. What is the name of Jody's father? What is the name of Jody's father? The name of Jody's father is Mr. Harris. Next question. What is Jody's father? Jody's father is a bus driver. Yes, children, you watch the video till end and answer these questions and write in your homework book. Thank you, children.